Before I came to My Computer Career, I was in the military for 8 years in the Marine Corps band. After that, I floated around several odd jobs, Domino's, front counter at a bowling alley while I was going to school. I tried traditional universities, junior college, community college, what they called these days, and even a four-year university. It was not something that was very friendly to how I operate. I'm not a fan of big crowds, big areas. Like, this campus is perfect due to its size. The deciding moment for when I made the change from my previous career of being a big truck driver actually to do this was just the amount of stress and the amount of time involved in order to make any money. IT, you can make the same kind of money almost starting out, and there's room for improvement and growth financially, as well as the ability to not be constantly under threat of a wreck and more extreme circumstances. I really did like how, as I said, small it was, plus there were instructors everywhere that I knew would be able to help us. As he was taking us on the tour, there were not just the classroom instructors, but there were at least 2 flex instructors over here, and then the night flex instructor was coming in too. Plus the campus director was an IT professional, and one of our now current assistant campus director is pretty much a bona fide network guru. And so hearing all that in the tour itself told me that everybody here knew what they were doing, and so any kind of issues I would have many options on different styles of teaching methods and explanations to understand the material. The fact that My Computer Career makes sure that you can get certifications was a massive benefit, and having the Pearson Testing Center here on campus makes it even better, because it's close to my house. I come here for classes anyways, so I can still get the testing in a familiar environment where I'm comfortable. With My Computer Career at this campus in particular, not only do we have all the instructors that can help us, we can even get the miniature boot camps right before we go in, or we can do the online boot camps that MyCC offers as well. It really does feel great, and the bell that they let us ring immediately after really does help release that dopamine, I guess you could say, and give you that good rush, feel really good about earning that certification, because you have to earn it. Nobody can hand it to you, so when you come out and you pass it, that bell is nice. From the moment you walk in the door, everybody wants you to succeed. Everybody's checking up on you, giving you words of wisdom, words of kindness, words of encouragement, from the front desk to the admissions directors to the campus director, the instructors. Anybody that works here is trying to make sure that you're getting what you need and what you want, and to make sure that everything goes smoothly. In the military, whenever you're getting out, you go through what's called TAPS, TAMS. It's called slightly different things everywhere, but basically it's a week or 2 of going through classes to learn how to be a civilian, as well as what programs are available for you to use that are very easy to transition. One of the ones is Troops to Truckers. That was one of the big ones when I was in, constantly being talked about. Troops to Oil Riggers and stuff like that. But after I got out, I was like, oh yeah, there's all kinds of stuff for IT certifications these days. And I even went on to va.com, .gov, the VA website for the GI Bill benefits, and My Computer Career I gladly accepted, of course. And they even have a bunch of different scheduling options for the GI Bill, so that you can still come get your certs, and if you need to work for your family, you still can. If you're looking for a job, once you come out of the military that's less stressful, truck driving not it. IT certifications, from everything I can tell, and I've talked to from the instructors that have been in the job force for years and years and years, it's a whole lot less stressful than the military. You have a lot more control, and it's just overall better quality of life. The future for me after I finish graduating here, right now I actually intend to come work for MyCC, then get more certifications, then go get even bigger, better, more higher paying jobs.